Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progressions. Dear students, you must have observed that in nature, many things follow a certain pattern, such as the petals of a sunflower, the holes of a honeycomb, the grains on a maize cob, etc. Now look for some patterns which occur in our day-to-day life. Reena applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary of rupees 8,000 with an annual increment of rupees 500 in her salary. Her salary in rupees for the first, second, third, and so on years will be respectively 8,000, 8,500, 9,000, and so on. Rahul puts rupees 5 into his piggy bank every week. So the amount of money in the box is week, first, second, third, fourth, and the respective amount in rupees 5, 10, 15, 20. In a meeting hall, there are 7 chairs in the first row, 9 chairs in second row, 11 chairs in third row. So we can write number of rows, first, second, third, and number of chairs, 7, 9, 11, so on. In a week, Purva decided to solve double the sums than the previous day. So we can write number of days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and sum solved 1, then twice of it 2, then twice of it 4, 8, 16, 32. In each of the above examples, we observe some pattern. In first 3 examples, we find that the succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number. These are the examples of arithmetic progression. In fourth example, we get the next number by multiplying the preceding number. It means that there is a pattern, but this is not an example of arithmetic progression.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
Consider the following lists of numbers. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. 2, 50, 47, 44, 41, so on. 3, 4, 4, 4, so on. 4, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, so on. Each of these numbers in the list is called a term. Now, can you write the next term in each of the lists above? In 1, each term is 1 more than the term preceding it. In 2, each term is 3 less than the term preceding it. In 3, each term is obtained by adding or subtracting 0 to the term preceding it. In 4, each term is obtained by adding 0.5 to the preceding term. In all the lists above, we see that successive terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. Such list of numbers is said to form an arithmetic progression, AP. So, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. This fixed number is called common difference of the AP. Remember that it can be positive, negative, or 0. Let us denote the first term of an AP by A1 or A, second term by A2, up to the nth term by An, and the common difference by D. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to D. Then AP becomes A1, A2, so on up to An. A plus D represents an arithmetic progression where A is the first term and D is the common difference. This is called the general form of an AP. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is an example of finite AP. The finite AP has the first term and the last term also. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on. This is an example of infinite AP. Such APs do not have the last term. Now, you will find that given the first term A and the common difference D, you can find the next terms. For example, if A is the first term, which is equal to 6, and the common difference D is 3, then the AP is 6, 9, 12, 15, so on.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
Nth term of an AP, let A1, A2, A3, so on, be an AP whose first term A1 is A and the common difference is D. Then the second term A2 is equal to A plus D, that equals to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. The third term A3 is equal to A2 plus D, that equals to A plus D plus D, that equals to A plus 2D, that equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Fourth term A4 is equal to A3 plus D, that equals to A plus 2D plus D, that equals to A plus 3D, that equals to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, and so on. Looking at the pattern, we can say that the nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, the nth term an of the AP with the first term a and common difference d is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is also called the general term of the AP. If there are m terms in the AP, then AM represents the last term, which is sometimes also denoted by L.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।